Well, I'm back for the second of my two presentations. I hope you are all getting useful, hard fact information and guidance concerning the opportunities offered to foreign companies through the Rebuild Ukraine program. In this presentation, I will cover how you can make your bid through the Prozorro system. Making a bid through Prozorro is, as you will see, very straightforward and easy. What this presentation does not cover is a guide in how to formulate your bid. The complexity of this will match the complexity of the project that you are bidding for, and whether you are bidding independently or together in a consortium. The details needed to complete tender documents will greatly vary, such that you may well need professional assistance on a case-by-case basis from Ukrainian experts in your particular sector. Therefore, this presentation will not attempt to go into so much detail as required to complete tender documents. Instead, the focus will ebb on the delivery of the necessary information and documentation. On the next slide, we see the general instructions for submitting bids for participation in the open tender for the framework agreement. There are other frameworks, but we'll concentrate on the processes for the main one here. As has been previously explained, to make a bid, you have to register with an e-tender platform. The one we show here is PublicBid. This is the platform that ICC Ukraine has decided to integrate with their Rebuild Ukraine portal. You can see that to submit your offer, you need to go to the procurement details page and simply click on the Register Offer button. You will then see that there are four main forms to complete: the price offer, documents for the lot if the tender is multi-lot, confirmation of compliance with various regulations, your proposal documents. It is critical that you check your documentation that they respond directly, completely and accurately with the requirements of the tender. Mistakes made here can result in your offer being dismissed without any consideration. You should also note that although English is accepted to a certain degree in Prozorro's output, offer documents must be in Ukrainian. After clicking on the Register Offer button, a window will open in which you will have to fill in several basic forms. This includes the price offer, documents for the lot, if the tender is multi-lot, confirmation of compliance with the qualification criteria and the absence of grounds for refusal under Article 17 of the Law of Ukraine on Public Procurement, as well as general documents for the offer. As confirmation of the information that you have provided, you will receive an email with the details that you have submitted and that have been received. To upload documents, click on the Add Document button, select the type of document, and add all the necessary files. Make sure that the information is filled in correctly and click Submit Proposal, after which the status of your proposal will be displayed as Proposal Registered. After registering your offer, you can check its status on the platform or more easily through the ICC Rebuild Ukraine portal. You will also receive an email confirming the submitted offer, which will duplicate the price and the list of documents. After successful submission of the proposal, you will have the opportunity to apply an electronic digital signature, EDS. This process consists of 4 stages: selecting an ACS, adding a private key file, entering the key password, and signing the document. As you can see, the mechanics of posting your bid are straightforward. The real effort goes into formulating your bid. Nonetheless, after completing all that, I think you deserve a rest. Thank you for your attention, and I wish you every luck in bidding for projects in the Rebuild Ukraine program.